Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever thought about how much better GTA V feels with a controller? Especially a PlayStation 4 one. It really makes driving and flying in Los Santos so much more intuitive, bringing that familiar console precision right to your PC setup. Many players find it significantly enhances their gameplay, offering a truly immersive experience you might just love, especially for those epic car chases or daring aerial stunts. First things first, let's get that controller connected. The easiest way is with a simple USB cable. Just plug it into your computer. If you prefer going wireless, Bluetooth is your friend. Most modern PCs have built-in Bluetooth, but if yours doesn't, a small USB Bluetooth adapter will do the trick. Just make sure your controller is in pairing mode, ready to connect. Now, for the magic that makes it all work, DS4 Windows. This fantastic, free program acts as a translator, making your computer think your PlayStation 4 controller is actually an Xbox One. Since GTA V on PC natively supports Xbox controllers, this bridge is absolutely essential for a smooth experience. You'll want to download the latest version from their official site to ensure full compatibility. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open it up and check that your controller is properly detected. You can then create a new profile, maybe call it GTA V for easy recognition. This allows you to customize various settings, like the light bar color or even the vibration feedback. Don't forget to enable the profile, ensuring it's active when you launch your game, giving you that perfect personalized feel. With everything set up, it's time to launch GTA V. Jump into the game and confirm that your PS4 controller inputs are working perfectly. If you encounter any little hiccups, double-check your DS4 Windows settings or try repairing your controller. Now you're ready to explore Los Santos with enhanced control and comfort, experiencing all the action in a whole new way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.